My name is Matt Sagi. I'm the Director of Sales with Prescient Solutions. We are a strategic IT outsourcing firm based here in Schaumburg. We've been in business now for our 24th year, going on our 24th year. I'm in charge of generating new business for the company and continuous growth, really, where 75–80% of our business is in the manufacturing and industrial space.
My name is Laura Curran. I work at Prescient Solutions as an IT sales consultant. One of the things I'm the most excited for personally about being involved with the TMA and getting more involved this year is really educating some of our prospective customers in the manufacturing industry about our on-site model. Some people don't know that we're able to support people on site. We're able to provide an engineer 1 to 3 days a week or even full-time, and that offers a lot more of a customer-friendly approach. It really makes them feel like that is their go-to IT person, so to speak. Some companies don't have that luxury. They're just used to emailing their IT person or calling that IT person. They never really develop that personal bond that we're really able to give them. We've become a very trusted partner for a lot of manufacturing customers in that way.
It's always gratifying to hear 6 months after we start a partnership and start working with them and performing our IT functions day to day, and humbling to hear an owner of a company say, Matt, your engineer, your model, your team has surpassed our expectations. We've cleaned up things that we've been trying to clean up for years, just never had the knowledge to do it. And you guys were able to fix it within 4 to 6 months. It's always extremely exciting, and I get very excited to hear that because what I sold is above and beyond what we talked about.
We recently introduced what we call our PVSA, which is essentially a cybersecurity audit for customers. And I'm just really excited about educating more people on that if that's something they're interested in.
The TMA relationship is very, very important to Prescient. And we would not be here today if it weren't for our membership with TMA.